Are you tired of hearing about trading systems that promise the world but deliver nothing? I was too until I discovered Easy Pro Scalper. This incredible tool not only lived up to its promises but exceeded my expectations. Here's how I turned a $147 investment into a jaw-dropping $4,100 profit in just 3 hours, thanks to the features and benefits of Easy Pro Scalper. It was a quiet Thursday morning when I decided to put Easy Pro Scalper to the test. With just $147 in my trading account, I wasn't expecting miracles. But little did I know, this unassuming software would soon unlock a world of potential. As I fired up the program, one feature immediately caught my eye: the effective trading algorithm. It was like having a seasoned trader by my side. This algorithm analyzed market data with laser-like precision, providing me with accurate buy/sell signals. My curiosity piqued. I decided to follow its lead. The day's trading began with a focus on the EUR/used currency pair. Easy Pro Scalper signals for this pair were consistently strong. The unique trend power detection feature played a pivotal role here, alerting me to the most potent trends. This was the first step on my journey to turning a modest sum into a small fortune. As the morning progressed, I couldn't help but marvel at the user-friendly visual interface of Easy Pro Scalper. It made navigating the software effortless, saving me precious time. Time that I could now devote to making informed trading decisions. I continued to watch the EUR/used pair, and this is where Easy Pro Scalper truly shone. Its high profit signals consistently hit the mark. This wasn't just any software, this was a tool designed for profitability. As the market moved, I executed trades with confidence, thanks to these signals. The EUR/used pair was my canvas, and Easy Pro Scalper was my brush, painting a picture of profit. The hours passed by, but Easy Pro Scalper's efficiency ensured that I wasn't chained to my trading desk. Unlike other systems that demanded constant attention, this one demanded minimal time investment. It was perfect for both part-time and full-time traders, a testament to its adaptability. By midday, I had achieved something remarkable. That $147 had grown into a substantial sum. The stress that often accompanies trading had faded away, replaced by the sheer exhilaration of watching my account balance soar. The story continued, and as the afternoon sun bathed my trading room in a warm glow, the benefits of Easy Pro Scalper became even more apparent. The software wasn't just a tool, it was a gateway to financial freedom. With each trade, each profit, I was inching closer to my goal. The reliability of Easy Pro Scalper signals was a game changer. They never repainted, erasing any doubts about the legitimacy of my trades. This trust, this unwavering faith in the system, was what propelled me to achieve a profit that was previously unimaginable. As the clock struck 3, I couldn't believe my eyes. That $147 had transformed into $4,100 in just 3 hours. The EUR/used pair had been my chosen battleground, and Easy Pro Scalper had been my guiding light. It was a journey of financial transformation, made possible by a remarkable trading tool. In conclusion, Easy Pro Scalper isn't just a trading system, it's a catalyst for change. Its powerful algorithm, user-friendly interface, and high profit signals turned a modest investment into a substantial profit in a matter of hours. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, Easy Pro Scalper is the key. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Try Easy Pro Scalper today and embark on your journey to financial success. Remember, with the right tool, success is just a click away.